So good morning everyone. So this morning I'm in a village called LAP1967. We are in a traditional Spanish village and it is very quaint. Beautiful church with church bells ringing. You will absolutely love this place and I have a beautiful home to show you as well. So come with me on this journey. Oh guys, this is what I love about Spain. As I stand here in the heart of this village, the sun is beaming down, wrapping everything in its gentle warmth. You can feel it on your skin. It's really slow and unhurried. And you can hear the birds in the background flitting about in the air. It's a natural soundtrack of this village because the nearby locals are sitting over there at the bar and cafe and they're drinking coffee, sharing stories, and you can hear laughter raising easily between them every now and again. It's a real sense of belonging here, a place where time slows down, conversation matters, and this is meant to be enjoyed. Because this isn't just a village you pass through, it's a village you become a part of. And the bar isn't just a bar and cafe, they bake bread over there, and there is a man that comes around in this village with a van with fresh bread every week. So this is your outlook of this property. Now welcome to this traditional Spanish property. As you can see, it's got a terracotta frontage against those beautiful deep blue skies, and the sun is shining so brightly today. You have off-road parking just set in front of you. Now this is a 3-bedroomed, 2-bathroomed property. So to the side you have a side gate that leads to the back of the property. Just in front here with the 2 little olive trees in the pot, there is a small terrace there that you can sit out, and there is a plug socket on the terrace as well. There is a water point just here in the garden, so if you want to water your plants, it just holds down the driveway, you know. So I'll just pan around here to give you a feel for the driveway here. Beautiful home. So let's go inside. So just to the front where the terrace is, you have got an overhead outside light here and a little plug socket down on the wall. You've also got the blackout blinds on the windows there as well. So a lovely place to sit in the morning. So let's go inside, step inside this beautiful home. Just turn around here and give you a quick view of the front. So that will be your view all the time, and nobody's going to build in front of this property either. So the minute you step inside, you'll immediately notice how the natural light just flows through this living area. It's nice and bright and airy, welcoming space. It's a true blank canvas, just ready for you to put your own stamp on it and shape it around your lifestyle. Nice little touch, the intercom there as well. So this home offers 3 well-proportioned bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Now on the ground floor, you'll find it's very comfortable. You've got plenty of sockets and plugs all around. You can just hear the church bells ringing as well. Sounds so beautiful. This home offers well-proportioned rooms and it's lovely, large, bright and airy. And through the patio doors is your outside space. But I'm just going to pan around quickly just to give you a feel of the space. Funnily enough, I've always said the houses that look like they're blank canvas, they always look smaller without the furniture, but you can pack a lot of furniture into this property. So I'm going to take you outside. Now there's a private area here, perfectly suited for a hot tub, creating a lovely space to relax and unwind. There's also an exciting potential to extend the utility area around the corner. Just here you have patio doors coming from the kitchen, and as you've seen there was an overhead light there as well. Just pan around the side gate to the front of the properties there, and over each set of patio doors you have outside lighting. This is the utility room. Now, if you wanted to brick this wall up and put a door through, you could extend that kitchen. Fantastic opportunity to create a larger, more open kitchen space. So let's walk over there and explore it a little better. You can see there's a water point there, and we have electrics to this area. You've got piping, and you've got a boiler and a worktop space as well. And of course you got, I did say, your electrics, your plug sockets and that. So you could just imagine these few feet would make that kitchen a lot bigger, although it's quite ample as it is. Now the staircase in this property is in the heart of the property of the home. It's positioned between the downstairs bedroom and the bathroom and the kitchen area. So this leads upstairs to 2 further bedrooms and a bright solarium. Okay, so I'm going to take you in to the bedroom first. As you can see, plenty of sockets and plugs and everything you need in here. Now guys, from here you'll enjoy the open views to the front of this property, with the added reassurance that no one is permitted to build in front of this property, ensuring those views remain forever uninterrupted. Now it's a good sized bedroom with plenty of sockets and plugs, and your large double wardrobes here as well. So I'll open this one wardrobe for you, just to give you a feel for the wardrobe and the depth of the wardrobe, because I know some of us women like a nice closet. So it's quite a large closet with good depth to it. As you can see, the same terracotta flooring just flows through this house all the way through. Now just in here is your shower room. It is fully tiled, standard light and coving above. You've got a lovely trim above there. You've got a cubicle shower, sink and pedestal, and your WC. Good size shower room. And that services the guest bedroom on the ground floor here, you know. So through this door with the frosted glass window, you have got a beautiful kitchen. So as I open it up, it's really bright and airy in here. You've got your standard light, you've got plenty of top and base units, your hood extractor there, your integrated electric hob and oven, plenty of drawers and cupboards, and you have your sink and drainer. This is the oven open. As you can see, it's pristine, as is the whole property. So like I said earlier, that wall straight in front, you could knock a door through there if you wanted to extend out into that utility area. Now your fridge freezer goes in there at the end, just here. I'll just pan around for you for a moment and see your patio doors out to your outside space. So it's a good sized kitchen, and that is a beautiful outside space where you can relax and just have a glass of champagne in that hot tub, you know. So this of course is where your fridge freezer would be. Now let me take you through the doorway here and up the staircase. Now this staircase sits neatly in the heart of the home here, and I'll see you upstairs, guys. So I'm up at the top of the staircase, guys, now, and we'll go into this bedroom first. This is the front bedroom with those uninterrupted views. You have his and her wardrobes in here, and you have that extra window there as well. Quite large, and again you have this beautiful terracotta flooring throughout the property. Now if I pop outside here, I'm just going to pan around first just to give you a feel for the room, and as you can see, again, plenty of sockets and switches. So I'm just going to bring you through these patio doors onto your Juliet balcony, and we'll have a look at those views. It's a beautiful sunny day here in this beautiful village, and as you can see what surrounds you in here. So I'll take you back inside. It's all grassed here. It's false grass, mind. But a good sized double bedroom. So let's go into the next room now. I'll just bring you into the family bathroom now. As you can see, it has a sink and pedestal. You can see you have a bidet there with a cover. And it's all fully tiled. Just here you have a bath with a semi-frosted shower screen. You've got this lovely trim around the tiles, and of course this whole bathroom is tiled from floor to ceiling. Got the lovely coving, and of course your shower inside the bath. Just give you a quick look there. You have your modern mirror with your overhead light, your window, and I just shut the door there just to give you a glimpse. So good size family bathroom. So I'm just going to turn into the next bedroom up here. So again, this is a large double bedroom. I'm going to shut the door behind me. So you have got sockets and switches throughout this room. You've got his and hers large double wardrobes. Just pan around for you so you can get a feel for the room. And I'm just going to pop outside here. Now this is your solarium area here, and it has some stunning views, and from the camera it never shows it how close it actually is, so I'm going to show you now. But I just love these terracotta tiles, so I'm going to bring it in closer with the camera just for you to have a good look. And if you're sitting out here, you know, on some rotten furniture or bistro table and chairs or whatever, the views are beautiful. The sun is so warm on your skin, you can feel it. It's like someone giving you a hug. And the bird songs everywhere. It's really beautiful. It's more like paradise, really. And again, you've got an overhead light just over the double doors with your shutters, your blackout blinds. Okay, that's a socket on the wall there as well. Absolutely stunning. So let us go down. And we go back down the stairs. And guys, I'll see you at the bottom of the stairs. So everyone, if this could be your dream home here in Spain, in this quaint, authentic Spanish village, do contact info@lettobuy.com. Check out the website, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like, because somebody out there would absolutely love this property. So until the next time, take care. And don't forget, you're only about a 30-minute drive from the local airport here in Murcia, and about a 30-minute drive from the beaches. Picture of a beautiful beach coming up, and this is where you could be spending most of your leisure time.